wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best repair kits for iPhone. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The ogodeal Precision isn't as expansive as some other sets, but it has the bare necessities, such as 3 screwdrivers, including a pentalobe. There's also a magnetizer that you can use on them, so no little pieces of hardware go missing. It's compact and easily portable, and works on Apple Watches too. However, it can strip difficult screws. At number 9, the centerpiece of the Kaisi Electronics islack is a plastic grip tool with 2 suction cups in the middle. This is used to gently pry the screen off your device, so you don't have to jam screwdrivers in there to finagle it open, possibly breaking things in the process. It works well on tablets too, and comes with extremely sharp tweezers, but the suction cups don't stay in place well. Coming in at number 8 on our list. The gangzhibao screwdriver set comprises more than just screwdrivers, as it also comes with multiple spudgers and scraper tools. They all fit in a roll-up bag that allows you to carry everything with you in one compact package, making it ideal for mobile repair techs. It includes anti-static tweezers and is helpful for replacing screens. However, the metal parts bend easily. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for repair kits for iPhones, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the lifegoo DIY fix contains one of the most essential repair tools known to man, double-sided tape. The included roll comes in handy if you can't get your screen to stay in place after you've pried it off with the metal spudger. It includes 10 different screwdrivers and a SIM card ejector pin, but it lacks angled tweezers. Moving up our list to number 6. Most of the components in the warmstor Premium are brightly colored, reducing the chance of losing them. Everything can be kept in the included zippered canvas bag, making it easy to take to a job site or stash in a drawer. It includes several device-specific pry bars, and the bag is waterproof too. However, the included suction cup is weak. Halfway up our list at number 5. You don't have to be a professional to use the inlife magnetic, but it certainly helps you look the part. The bit holder has a non-slip grip to prevent accidents, and it includes an anti-static wrist strap to protect the sensitive components from getting zapped. It comes with standard-sized steel bits and a metal ruler, but the utility knife is flimsy. At number 4, the handle on the screwdriver that comes in the Vastar Precision is knurled to provide a good grip. This minimizes the risk of slipping at an inopportune moment and allows you to use it accurately on those tiny screws holding everything together. It includes a microfiber cleaning cloth, and the metal ends can be magnetized. It's also useful for iPods. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, there are over 70 pieces in the kaisi combination, and you get all of them for an extremely budget-friendly price. With 56 driver bits, it's a versatile kit capable of opening up just about any device you own, regardless of what kind of fasteners it uses. It includes a handy flexible shaft extension and strong magnetic tips. The parts are well made and durable. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for repair kits for iPhones, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, you can put out your shingle and earn a living with the gangzhibao Professional, as this impressive 90-piece kit has everything you might need to fix a damaged phone. The items are all stored well, and each has a dedicated spot in the included carrying case. It's great value for the price, and can also be used on gaming consoles. It comes with stainless steel spudgers. And taking the top spot on our list, the ifixit ProTech boasts a 64-bit driver kit, so you should be prepared to tackle any fastener that you come across on your electronic devices. Each one is machined to be durable and high quality, providing you with years of faithful service. It includes nylon-tipped tweezers and 6 opening picks. It's backed by a lifetime warranty. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for repair kits for iPhones, or simply click beneath this video.